In the previous movie, you may recall that we adjusted the line type scale in order to show a dash pattern around what's an existing apple tree. If I select the circle, notice it now has a line type dash applied to it. If you click in the properties box, you can see you have a wide variety of line types that you can use. But we had to change the scale from 1 to 20 in order to see it. Let me zoom out just a little and pan across. There's an existing fence line here. So let's pick the existing fence there, and we'll change the line type from continuous to fence line 2. Again, I can adjust the line type scale. If we use 1, which was the default, we cannot see it. But let's change that to, say, 30. These are arbitrary values. Now let me just unselect all and zoom out a little. And I think you can see what has happened here. The fence line runs not the entire disc. We expect it to run through here. What's happened is that the line that we've just changed finishes, let me pick it again, finishes at this point here. And there's another line underneath it that does not have its line type set. I think we need to eliminate that line there and then just extend the fence line to what is the coal shed. So it's just modify and extend, pick this as the edge and extend the line through, and now we have what we're after, a line. A lot simpler to just draw a line like that and change its line type pattern to show the fence.